What's going on, beautiful people? D-Lo Brands back for another video, and today we are diving into the world of Google AI again. And this is from a well-anticipated update. I definitely have been looking forward to it. We are now getting VO2, yes, Google DeepMind's video generation model inside of Gemini right now. Yes, yes, yes. So inside of Gemini, we can now create videos. We can give reference images and create videos out of those. We can create videos from a sentence. I mean, that's what they're advertising here. And so this is very powerful because a statistic just released that over 350 million users monthly are using Gemini. And it's because it's the most accessible model, it's the most kind of native model. A lot of people are used to using Google. So when they think about, hey, what AI am I going to use? They think about Google as well. And so a few different things. You can write a scene that you want to watch. They're giving you prompts on their homepage of what will give you certain generations. We see a cat as an astronaut floating in space. That's a very simple prompt, but this one is a little bit longer. You can see that it's an aerial shot, you know, doing a kind of 360 orbit kind of. This is a more in-depth prompt surrounded by an array of vintage birds. Cool. So few things you can use it for: exploring. Maybe you just want to ideate. Maybe you just want to see what this character that you created would look like if it were moving and things of that nature. You can create memes. So let's say your friend just made a funny face. You can create a meme out of their face, or maybe your dog just did a funny looked at you funny, then you can make a meme out of it and share it with your friends. But also the planning phase. And so it is powered by VO2. And right now, if I'm being completely honest, I haven't seen much of VO2. I was on the wait list. I did use it inside of YouTube. YouTube Shorts, if you did not know, you can access VO2, but I haven't seen much of it. And so they look cool. I mean, it doesn't look like it's terrible. It doesn't look like a really bad video generation. So we're going to dive in and try. But before we get into that, how you can access this is by getting Gemini Advanced. So of course they are running different offers right now. $0 for your first month. I mean, $20, a whole entire month to try out these things. You can definitely hone in your skills, but also students get some sort of discount as well. This is not available to the free people. It is only available to the paid people. But if you did not know, if you have a business and you have Google Workspace, or you have your domain through um, your business email through Google, then you will get Gemini Advanced included in your subscription, and that's $20 a month as well. So for $20 a month, I'm getting 2 terabytes of storage for multiple people. I'm getting aliases for my email. I'm getting access to one of the most advanced AI models in an unlimited format, and I just see it as a win-win. So if you have a business, definitely do that. But right here, we are in Google AI Studio, and this is actually where you are going to access this. And I'm pretty sure that you can access this within the Gemini app as well, just by saying create a video X, Y, and Z. But we are going to use it natively within Google AI Studio. And so I want to try this prompt right here. That is going to be creating a video of hands quickly slicing a cucumber on a wooden cutting board. And so over here on the right hand corner, you see that you can, select the model. The only one that's available right now is VO2. Select the number of results. The maximum is 2. You can select your aspect ratio, which is either landscape or vertical, so they don't have square, but they do have a longer video duration. Some have 10 seconds, but most have 5 seconds at 8 seconds, which is very nice. The frame rate is locked at 24, the resolution at 720p. So these aren't videos that we're going to be looking to use in anything serious that we are doing, but this is more of kind of an experimentation platform. And so a lot of these features are going to be updated as they release it more and more. resolution will be higher, frame rate will be higher, but you got to think about it from Google's perspective. I mean, if they want to have high rate limits and low cost, they're going to have to, make some sacrifices in that. So let's go ahead and try this out. And this is just going to be generating a video from text. And we can also see down here how long it will take. You cannot see this. Okay, I'm pretty sure you can see this in the Gemini platform. It'll do it for like thinking, but for creating video, I'm not sure. But we're gonna do a 16 by 9 and see what we get. Our generation has completed. Let's take a look. Okay, this is pretty cool. Um, if I'm being completely honest, I can't really tell if the physics in the video actually makes sense. I know there's a little warping at the end, but from the beginning, it looks like, one part of a cucumber is hitting another and moving it. Like that's kind of crazy. But this isn't bad. So let's say you were making some sort of tutorial on how to make your favorite cucumber drink and you wanted to use this clip in there for 5-8 seconds. You can use this. Like this is a more than usable clip for sure. Like it's a guy cutting cucumbers. I mean, it's pretty cool. Let's try another one. Create a video of a 2D game character running and jumping across a desert landscape in a game. So let's see this one. And we're back. This is our generation. Let's take a look. Wow. So what I really, really like about this is that it gives the whole 2D game feel. It has kind of like the parallax background effect. It has, the 2D movement. It doesn't have any 3D aspect to it except for the depth of the assets. And this is really, really good. Like I can see, hooking this up to an AI agent and getting faceless videos created for you. I mean, text over this, some voiceover. Like this is really, really cool. This is really, really cool. And we're gonna try run one more, and we're actually gonna give it inspiration. So if you watch my last video, we created an image of a knight that was, having dragons around him and things of that nature. And in that video, we didn't necessarily get the best generation from that due to the actual model we were using. And so I want to try it on this model and also the prompt that one of you guys actually gave me from the last video that worked wonders. I mean, this prompt that you guys gave me is phenomenal, to say the least. All right, so right here we have this image, and I actually want to just clear the chat really quick. All right, so this is our image, and what we are gonna do is do a basic prompt, and then we're gonna do a much more expanded prompt that, like I said, came from one of you guys. So what I'm gonna say is a knight walking through a war torn battlefield with two dragons flying around him. And so this is a very, very simple prompt. Let's see what it gives us. So we have encountered an error. It looks like even for me as a paid customer, we are going to have a cap on how many we can generate. And so I think we generated about 3, maybe 2. And so we're going to come back tomorrow and finish that because I definitely want to see what this does. But if we don't, and this is the end of the video, you guys saw the generations. All right, so it turns out for the generation we were trying to do with the knight,
you are not able to upload images, including people, for image to video currently. So keep that in mind. That is within the guidelines.
I mean, I would use those videos. They're pretty good, but there is a strong limit of those right now. So keep that in mind. But if you enjoyed this video, if you did learn something, and if you're excited about Google DeepMind's initiatives, definitely leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the video. Share it with a friend. Make sure they know how AI is moving and how they can enter into this space in a non-technical way. And also let me know what other tools you would like me to explore, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.